I decided to look for a trolling motor for my inflatable rowboat, aiming for something that would allow me to row farther and explore more of the lake, with the motor helping me return to shore more easily. The Newport NV series trolling motor caught my eye, thanks to its impressive ratings and number of positive reviews. My research revealed that Newport offers a wide range of accessories, boats, and other products for boating enthusiasts. One of the key benefits of this motor is its versatility. It's designed for use in both fresh and saltwater, giving me flexibility depending on where I want to go. The NV series comes in 5 models, ranging from 36 pounds of thrust to 86 pounds of thrust. I chose the 55 pounds model, which strikes a good balance between power and efficiency for my needs. The NV series is Newport's general-purpose trolling motor, designed for a variety of small to medium-sized boats, including inflatables like mine. It's built for both fresh and saltwater use, making it versatile for different environments. Efficient power. The 55 pounds thrust model runs on 12V, delivering excellent power and efficiency. Its high-quality construction ensures the motor can operate all day without overheating or making noise that could scare away fish. Key features: 30-inch composite fiberglass shaft, which is durable and resistant to corrosion. 8-speed control with 5 forward and 3 reverse speeds, allowing you to adjust your speed easily depending on conditions. High-efficiency motor that runs cool and quiet, preventing overheating and reducing noise. 3-blade propeller that provides excellent low-end torque, helping to get the boat moving smoothly and efficiently. Telescoping handle for comfortable steering, with the flexibility to adjust and lock the mount angle, height, and direction as needed. 5 LED battery indicator to monitor power levels on selected models. The NV 55 pounds model requires 112V lead-acid deep cycle or lithium deep cycle battery not included, with 50 amp-hour recommended. The motor also includes a 50 amp circuit breaker, which is recommended to protect against battery voltage surges. The maximum amp draw is 52 amp. To complement the motor, I selected the Newport Trolling Motor Smart Battery Box Power Center for convenient battery storage and management. This accessory offers several useful features. External battery ports. These allow you to safely and easily connect your trolling motor or other accessories to the battery without opening the box. Dual integrated circuit breakers. The box includes 10 amp and 60 amp circuit breakers to protect your trolling motor and other accessories from electrical damage. Direct USB charger and accessory port. A USB charger and a 12V accessory port for convenient connection of various DC devices. Product dimensions. Measuring 17 by 12 by 10 inches, this battery box fits group 24 and 27 batteries. It includes an LED meter that shows the battery charge level, battery not included, and non-slip rubberized feet keep the battery box securely in place. Mounting. To attach the motor to my inflatable boat, I needed a motor mount kit. I chose the Intex 68624EP motor mount kit, which pairs perfectly with the Newport motor. That wraps up the unboxing and overview of my new Newport NV Series 55 pounds thrust trolling motor. With its versatile design, powerful performance, and the added convenience of the smart battery box and motor mount kit, this is a great addition to my inflatable boat. If you're in the market for a reliable trolling motor, the Newport NV Series is definitely worth considering. I'll be sharing more updates, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more boating tips and gear reviews.